Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to call a function in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So we have here shop include IOStream for input output. So to declare a function, we have here a simple void function name without any parameters. The function is calling underscore function begin print s \n \t horizontal tab, calling a function here to display, and then int main void begin, and then to call a function we just call the function name and then semicolon and then right curly bracket and then we close. Okay, that's it. Let us go compile and run. So we have here the output calling the function here. So that's it guys. Now, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to create and call a function in C programming language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.